Subscribe to New Link YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to New Link YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. New Links, top vlogger. Big up New Links cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my people. Big up with the self money. I understand the attacking boss. They are my viewers and subscribers. And right about now, people, what me really are gonna talk about now, my viewers and my subscribers, because only just sees and he knows, my people. You get me? Because I decide to know New Link, me I gonna drive and me I gonna do that vlog. Yeah. You get what me answer? Because there's some really important things that I really need to talk about in this vlog. But first of all, I want to tell the people themselves, look here, please follow the new IG, my people. Me now stop promote my page. You understand? Because I reach way up much followers and then walking on my thing and get my thing lit down. So me have the lit box of viewers and subscribers. Please check below in the description and follow there. Check the community and follow the new IG. You understand? Because a lot of content, a lot of videos I have, people. And there's some half a link, I forget them. I don't know the thing. So my viewers and my subscribers, right now, people, that's so I go on the road. I understand. Hear them the New Link. Don't drive and vlog New Link. Yeah, I'm not driving and I'm vlogging. I'm driving and I'm talking. So my people, you are going. See? Well, what me I gonna talk about now, my viewers and subscribers? See? I gonna talk about a video that was sent to me. Because boy, when the video they sent to me, the people, normally me in my studio, me sit down, relax, and do the vlog, them do the reaction towards the video, them the people. But this video now was sent to my people. I see a very nice lady in a uniform, you understand? And she's suspected to be an inspector of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, which is the JCF people. Yeah, she look really beautiful. Then I saw a picture, people, and me I tell her the truth. That picture there, look, when me see it, and I look out here because me see something in the mouth and something. You understand? Yeah. Then I saw a video, my viewers and subscribers in. And when me see this video now, my people, why? Me not tell no lie, my viewers and my subscribers, eh? Inspector, she's not a young girl like say she is 16 or 20 or in her early 30s. No, she look like a lady, a big man to man, natural hair and something very, But my viewers and my subscribers, when I saw that video, my people, it was a big surprise for me because I not lie, people. Specky, you're bad. Mr. Inspector, you're bad. No joke about it. Oh, me and a Christian, people. You understand? So when me says I watch the video and I say she is bad, she is a professional. You understand? Because the way how Mr. Inspector is going on. Oh my world, oh my precious New Link attack now, man. And you see before me even got more in this thing, I want me tell you now. Because I have seen where I see comment the people are going to talk about New Link. Here's the only vlogger will come and talk about them something you have to listen me, come off from my channel, come off. Zin, if you don't want to hear when me talk or anything me feel like talk about, I talk about it. This is my thing, this is not your thing. And that's why I want to be different. I am different. So when you say New Link, you're the only one who talk about them something, I feel good. Because I want to be different. Me not want to be on the same level like everybody else. No. So, as when me as a people, me say, me not lie. Zin? No people are going to talk about young girl, this young, that's how me not this the young girl, but me respect the big man them, You understand? Big up to the big man them, because me not talk about the big man where I do not like I do them something there. Me I talk naturally, Zin, because big man they full of experience and you know what I mean, people, they know how to take care, you know what I mean? You have some young girl who can do them things very good to me, not lie and thing, But big up to the big man them, but you see this inspector, your people, boy, me know that if she did have a phone number on the line, open paper, right now, that phone would be ringing 24/7. Right through non-stop. Because when I say people, she bad. She act like fire. Oh my girl, oh my precious New Link. Why, Inspector? Attacking boss, you surprise me, Me darling, you surprise me, Inspector. Me just say, yo, people, I ain't even want to talk too much about the video, honestly. Because, she go on with some things when me have to say, Jaja. Yo, she bad, and yo, me not diss our people. Zin, but you know what me I gonna talk about now, me I gonna be truthful and realistic people. Why? Them have your video then something here. Why the video thing are coming and then something here now? Zin, especially in our time, remember you know, another man from the police was in the gut there and now a female inspector, my people. MP got, you know, look good enough. Me I be truthful. If I hide them, if I hide the other person that hide in a video them something here people, it's not a good look. You know why me I gonna say it's not a good look? Because look for it now. Zin, in the video where me see people and them say specky, right? Only her face is showing and the other man no part of him body now show. Rotted paper, remember showing, look over there, so how about that there? Fireworks in the night, you see it? While I'm vlogging fireworks, oh I want to cheap one, them finish already. That's why I'm not like cheapness, you know. But as what me I say my people, Zin, specky, yo, them for stop video them something here, Zin, and you say, yo, if I the boy, you boy, let me tell you this, you boy, you know yourself, you know. We are doing the thing with Specky. Let me tell you this, a straightforward, a medium Newling attacking boss. Listen this. You see, if I you video that's something there, boy, a straight attack for you. See? If I you take out your phone and video this thing up. See? Because if you are get them the nice treatment there from Specky, them the nice treatment, the all the woman love your thing and a deal with you, so. And you are going to take a video and put it viral, your boy. Me I tell you this. You need to get it, man. You need to, yo, no joke about it. See? Honestly, people, me not believe in them things, you know. Me not like them things. See? So when you see me do the reaction, them and the video then go there, you feel good, like say, yo, more embarrassed about it. No, I'm doing this thing, people, because, yo, it's entertainment. And I mean video, you know, people, and I mean put it out there. You understand? And if you never go there, I could say nothing. See? But when me I say, yo, the man never start lead them things. See? If you're a person in a bed or say, and I do nothing, and you not agree to it, see? You not confirm, so no want to put on bad video. Why the other person should video? I want to make video for what enjoyment, for watch back on yourself. Me not find them things that funny people. Now tell you the truth. See? Me not find for you in a bed and do nothing and then go watch it back. Them not entice me. See? Some don't know why flying at them people are head nowadays now. Them feel like they can't take out phone and video everything. See? But honestly, me not tell a lie. Boy, me know say it's kind of tough for the rest. Me go say, you are job part, me know the part there go, boy, me know say baby she go lose her job. And the sad part about it that people, you see how them can damage, them things can damage your life. So people now have to be careful. See? Boy, Specky, me sorry say you think go they go leak that way there, but me not like Specky, you're bad. Yo, Specky, me I tell you the truth, you know. Specky, Specky, me I tell you the truth, me like you, Specky, you're bad. Oh, me not respond to the one say that in comment section. Me I talk the truth. Then, Specky, you're bad. What you mean? Me say Specky, all that swallow everything. Me say Specky, all that swallow everything. Why, Specky, you think up, why? Just so you know. Viewers and subscribers, I don't know the thing, man. The attacking boss, they are my people, and boy, John know. When I see the video, I'm going to say, boy, I can't believe. If you're a big lady like she, people, yo, she up there, she a real pro. You understand? She a real pro. But your boy again, me I tell you, if you put out that something there out there, a straight attack, you shouldn't do it. You don't have to do it. Anybody who do it, you don't should do it. See? Because soon you make the attacking boss will get you. And once you know them get it, you know you love talk already. And you see it? Okay. Big up on yourself, people. More love and more respect. And just go and do the right thing, you know, my people. You understand? We are giving thanks to life, my viewers and subscribers on a daily basis. You know what I mean? And you don't know, say, all we have with thing going on, people. You get me? I say, nobody believe, say, yo, me, they and me is like the most happiest person in the world. No, man, all we have with things, people. So no matter how you do, me feel, you maybe feel down today, things not go the right way, man. Just know, say, yo, somebody out there say I go through the same thing to or I go through worse than you. You understand? So just don't think at the end of the world, man. Just be strong, see we are, and just, you know, put yourself up there, see we are, and don't give up, you know. And just trust in the Almighty and faith, man. Because with him, people, you can accomplish everything. So big up on yourself, people. Thanks to the love, thanks to the support. Thanks to the subscribe, thanks to the like, thanks to the share, thanks to everything, man. Peace out, my viewers and subscribers. Inspector, link up, please, over IG. Newling production, don't know, link up, please. New Link Inspector, yeah man, I mean man, the attacking boss, link up, yeah? Yeah man, me email over there, everything, link up, yeah man, entertainment.